Hey guys, this is Kaomi Kairan from the Knockout Life, and I'm here to review a product from Nightcat. It's a hammock tent, and that's what we're going to be checking out today. I would like to thank Nightcat for supporting me and my adventures. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so as you can see, it's really high, but it's okay because once you put your weight on it, it's really going to sag. Okay, so it's totally fine. Okay, so every system has these retractable rods. We put it here, okay, to put it up. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the top was over. So that's the reason why the system has two guidelines. So now, it's not rolling anymore. It really is very spacious. Okay. Now, what happens if it rains? Well, that's where the rain fly comes in. But every system of the Nightcat hammock tent comes with a rain fly. Okay, so one of the things that I love about this system is that it could be a hammock, it could be a tent, it could be just a swing, okay? If ever you don't have trees to hang your hammock onto, you can actually use this as a bivvy tent. It's a tent where it's just a crawl in and sleep type of thing. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to bring this to the ground. As I said a while ago, it's just something you can crawl in and sleep. Okay, so this could really be very low. So if you want this to, if you want to lift this part up a little bit more, you'd wanna bring this up. Okay, you can use your guidelines to do that. Okay, yeah. But if you wanna put the rain fly on, it's the same thing as when it was hang. One thing that I love about this system is that it's easy to set up and easy to take down. Pack away! And that's it. On to our next adventure. Thanks so much, Nightcat. See ya!